8145. Which rivets should be selected to join two sheets of 0.032-inch aluminum? A. MS-20425D 4-3. B. MS-20470AD 4-4. C. MS-20455DD 5-3. The correct answer is B. The MS-20470AD 4-4 rivets are aluminum alloy rivets with a diameter of 1/8 inch and a length of 5/16 inch. The 4-4 designation indicates that the rivets have a grip length of 4 times the rivet diameter, plus 0.096 inch. This is the minimum grip length required 4.032-inch aluminum. 8146. A sheet metal repair is to be made using two pieces of 0.0625-inch aluminum riveted together. All rivet holes are drilled for 1/8 inch rivets. The length of the rivets to be used will be A. 5/32 inch, B. 3/16 inch, C. 5/16 inch. The correct answer is C. For a sheet metal repair using two pieces of 0.0625-inch aluminum riveted together and all rivet holes drilled for 1/8 inch rivets, the length of the rivets to be used would be 5/16 inch. The rivet length is determined by adding the combined thickness of the materials being riveted, which in this case is 0.125 inch, 0.0625 plus 0.0625, to the grip length required for the 1/8 inch rivets. 8147. Mild steel rivets are used for riveting. A. Nickel steel parts. B. Magnesium parts. C. Steel parts. The correct answer is C. Mild steel rivets are commonly used for riveting steel parts. Mild steel rivets are suitable for joining steel components due to their similar material properties and compatibility. 8148. A DD rivet is heat-treated before to A. Harden and increase strength. B. Relieve internal stresses. C. Soften to facilitate riveting. The correct answer is C. DD rivets are made of a hard alloy that is difficult to rivet in its natural state. Heat treating the rivets softens them and makes them easier to rivet. The heat treatment process involves heating the rivets to a specific temperature and then cooling them slowly. This process changes the structure of the metal and makes it softer. 8149. When riveting dissimilar metals together, what precautions must be taken to prevent an electrolytic action? A. Treat the surfaces to be riveted together with a process called anodic treatment. B. Place a protective separator between areas of potential electrical difference. C. Avoid the use of dissimilar metals by redesigning the unit according to the recommendations outlined in AC 43.13-1A. The correct answer is B. When riveting dissimilar metals together, one must take precautions to prevent an electrolytic action. This can be achieved by placing a protective separator between areas of potential electrical difference. The separator acts as a barrier to prevent direct contact between the dissimilar metals, reducing the likelihood of galvanic corrosion caused by electrolytic action.